Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Techno Earn. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to it and press the bell icon. Today in this video, I'm gonna review about an interesting project, Baby DOGE, the cutest puppy in Solana. You can follow them on official Twitter, you can join the Telegram group, and you can see their bird eye right here, pre-sale, join the pre-sale, and you can check it out their white paper. This is really an amazing white paper right here, you can check it out all stuff about Meet Baby DOGE, the newest pup in the crypto world, ready to steal your heart and investment spotlight. Born from the legendary lineage of DOGE, this adorable meme coin on the Solana blockchain is here to conquer the meme coins. You can check it out all stuff right here. Tokenomics, name Baby DOGE, symbol BDOGE, and you can check it out their total supply. 45% pre-sale investors, 55% supply burned. Contract address to be announced right here. You can see Solana's cutest puppy roadmap. Phase 1, build a strong community. So successful launch, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap application plus 1000 holders. Phase 2, massive marketing push, NFT collection, tier 2 CX listing plus 5000 holders. Phase 3, Baby DOGE merge, tier 1 CX listing, YouTubers, partnerships, mainstream media reach. You can check it out their social links right here. You can follow them on the official Twitter, join their Telegram group, and you can see their bird eye. This is really an amazing, outstanding, interesting project, guys. You can check it out all stuff. You can see the all details right here. You can see their pre-sale ends in after 3 days. You can see how much Solana they have collected right here, enter the amount, and you can easily purchase their tokens. Status, you can see sale live, sale type public, maximum buy, you can check it out 10 soul. Current rate, you can see current raise, you can check it out all stuff. 20% LP, 40% buyback, 40% marketing. Last project, you can check it out 20. You can see their last project 22x for pre-sales. This is an amazing, outstanding project, guys. You can check it out all stuff. You can see the other details right here. You can see the white paper, Baby DOGE, the beginning. Welcome to Baby DOGE, the cutest puppy on Soul. Also, you can see about Baby DOGE. You can check it out. Baby DOGE is an adorable meme coin inspired by the legendary DOGE. With its cute and lovable design, Baby DOGE aims to steal the hearts of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. Built on the Solana blockchain, Baby DOGE inherits the speed, scalability, and low transaction fees associated with Solana, providing users with a seamless and efficient trading experience. You can check it out their tokenomics right here. You can see their tokenomics right here. Baby DOGE is a Solana's cutest puppy, offering users the opportunity to participate in the exciting world of meme coins while enjoying the benefits of the Solana blockchain. Roadmap, you can check it out all stuff right here. You can see the roadmap, community and links. You can join the community with their links. Join our growing community to stay updated on the latest news, announcements, and developments related to Baby DOGE. Conclusion, you can see the conclusion. Baby DOGE is poised to become a leading meme coin on the Solana blockchain, offering users a fun and engaging way to participate in the crypto market. With its adorable design, strong community support, and clear roadmap for growth, Baby DOGE is set to conquer the meme coin space. Join us on this exciting journey with Baby DOGE. Thank you for reading the Baby DOGE white paper. For more information, visit our website and follow us on our social media. So you have to join their pre-sale on Pinksale. It will be end after 3 days. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friend. We will meet with another amazing and curiously video. Till then, bye. Take care.